Hello everyone, this is Faye. Now I'm here going to inspect the machine for our client. Let's go. He bought a new HYUNDAI excavator. The model is HX340HD. It's a crawler excavator of 34 tons operating weight. Now you can see the boom length is 6.45 meters and this arm length is 3.2 meters. It is with a huge bucket. The bucket capacity is 1.73 cubic meters. Now we are upside this excavator. Let's see this engine. The engine model is HM8.3 with 194 kilowatts. It is a diesel engine with direct injection and mechanical control. So this advantage is suitable for emission standard in Africa and South America countries. The another advantage of the HYUNDAI excavator is its pump. It adopts KAWASAKI pump. It's very easy for clients to maintain. This machine is equipped with a fence to guarantee the safety of operators. So now let's see the cabin. It's very comfortable and pleasant. The ergonomic design made the cabin space very spacious with focus on safety and convenience of operators. The HX series allow rapid and safe equipment inspection anytime and anywhere, providing an optimal environment for operators to work. We will deliver this excavator to our client's plot by a box ship. And do not worry about after-sales service. We offer 1 year warranty, and if you have any problem, just contact me. So if you are interested in our machines, please contact me. I will give you a quotation.